Hello, my beautiful people. How una dey from Untouchable Mama? Oh, say una dey fine. Please do not forget to subscribe, to like, or dislike sef. Anything for my YouTube. But no put bad comment I dey block. I be person wey dey quick dey block Most of una never know. If you see audio wey I do, you no like am, just put dislike, no put bad comment. Because if you put bad comment, I go block you. If you like am, good. If you no still like am, no problem. So far you don watch am. So this is Untouchable Mama. I wan talk about something. This thing wey I wan talk, may I just use am take do like comedy. Okay. About some people, there are so many people, before you with am go just talk anything, maybe una dey quarrel, una get misunderstanding. You go say, make I tell you, me and you will not dey for the same class. Oh shey, abeg which class you dey na? Make you let people know. Me and you will not dey for the same level. Which level you dey na? Make you let people know. Me I tell you, me and you will not be this and that. My brother or my sister wey dey do that thing, make I tell you one thing. This of a level of a thing. As far as say you with that person wey you dey get misunderstanding or una dey get issue, you no dey feed down. That person no dey feed you. Which level una come dey talk about? About money? If they break now, the other one go work, you go work. You know they give am, you know they borrow am money, no they borrow you. Which level again? Because me, I dey think kind part of all this level. I don't understand. Maybe person go there where still understand though. No, not tell me because me I don't understand. No say if you don't know something, you go still ask. You go say, me with you not there for the same class. My brother, my sister, which level, which class be that one? You go primary 1, you go primary 1. You go secondary school, you go secondary school. You go university, maybe that one not go. And that one make you say, una not be the same class. Me, I don't understand though. When I not vex so. Because I dey talk, now my opinion. Wait I don't know. If I talk, now still tell me, say, Mama, see as it take see what it take me. As far as say, you dey sleep for your own room. That person, now your room they sleep, you not come to sleep your own. Which level you take pass am? If you be landlady, maybe that one still be landlady. Even though say no be landlady, maybe tomorrow you go still build her own. Which level you take pass am? Because who build the house today? You know me say person where they come, another person where they grow come, may not come build the house tomorrow. I mean, I know they understand all this. You no know, you not reach my level. Look me well. The cloth wey I dey wear na 1,000 euro. Now I take buy all this cloth wey I put for body. My sister, that one not make you anything. That one, the other person wey you dey talk to, if you wear 5 euro, e gallant pass you. E no mean anything. Maybe you wear 1,000. If dog see you, e go dey bark. Boo 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 boo. My brothers and sisters, this thing na comedy. I dey hear am, I go say, one day I want me I still talk to my people. The one wey me not still know, make they still tell me now because me I don't understand though. Because this finger they not be equal. Because if na equal, no say problem go dey. I make God do one like that. So most of people when they talk say me with you not be level. I fit tell you say me and you will not be age mates. That one I dey talk am well. But for me, I dey use my word for example. I not fit tell you say me and you will not be the same level. Which level be that one? You dey eat for us, me dey eat for us. If they break, you go work, me go work. Or maybe you know they work. Now husband they feed you. Now husband still they feed me. Which level you take past me? Okay, you want tell me say you get property past me. Oh, that one are vanity. I be my brothers and sisters. Now my wife they talk. I just say me, I just still talk. Because many people, or may I say some people they use them, they use all these words. I go they look, I go say, me I don't understand all this that level. Which level again? I don't understand though. Or maybe that person there abroad, you there for Nigeria. It no matter. Person where they Nigeria, some of them, they better pass who there for Europe. Because if the people they use all these words, I go they pick and go they collect them. I can say me, I know they understand though. This kind of me and you will not be dissenting. I don't understand though, because we not travel tomorrow. If you travel today, oh, eh? Maybe you will travel today, then carry you, deport you, go put for Nigeria. Which level be that one? Me, I don't understand the more I not vessel. That's my opinion. I just me, I don't do it as a comedy because you know, since some people before you go just talk to her, I go say, may I tell you, my level don't pass your own. Your level, you have pass and be how I don't understand. Which level be that one money? That one they eat now, as you still they eat. You dey buy cloth, that one still dey buy. And then okay, because you buy 1,000 that one buy 50 euro. It not make you say you pass am. E wear cloth, not be naked the they come out now. I be my brother, when I no vex o. Na fit talk say mama not be like that. Marker they different. Forget about marker. People they wey no dey wear marker. If you wear cloth come out, you go say Salobuwa or Gawe. Now so you go see some when go wear marker, you go say you no go buy that type of marker again. So my brothers and sisters, all these things, a level of a team. Me with you not there for the same class. Me with you not there for the same level. Me with you not there for this one. I bet we are all the same. We be all the same. We not get today, we'll get tomorrow. As far as say you know they feed down. Now the same level now they. As far as say you know they borrow money, you know come they ask you, you know they ask them. Now equal. Now God say do, now we never come they raise our shoulder, they raise our hands, they do as say people they use all these words. I go say all these words when are they use? Me and you not be the same level. You they drive car, me they drive car. Me and you not be the same level. You they sleep for your room, me and they sleep. Which level be that one again? You wear shoe, me I wear shoe. Even though say my old pen, your old straight. Now shoe, abi. Shoe na shoe. Maybe that's your way even straight self. You then see and they go say, go now by your way. My own way is way pen now. You can't tell me shakara. They will say, oh Ghana. So my brothers and sisters, why you got think bemu? What this is think bemu? Because now some they call it like me. I know if you think bemu, best way. If not, the day one I go no say, see this woman where they talk. I know if they raise shoulder, who get the shoulder, put her for there. I don't get time. If I see small pikin, they follow and play. If the small pikin get character. If you not get character because I did dress, I don't want me small pikin cost me. Many people don't know say I don't like me. Children they cost me. But I dey see all these things. If you see some people, the way they will say they talk for maths, before you with person go just talk, you say, I not did that category. Which category be that one? Oh my God! I just I just made this small comedy. Not comedy, if not still, because I believe in the truth that they talk. Because if you dey eat for inside your house, not be me they give you food. You be oga for your house, as me still be oga for my inside house. I know if you can't tell you say me and you, I don't pass you. Well, you know me. You don't say you know me, self. That one no matter where you go talk. You know me say you will tell me say you don't pass me. Where do you pass? You pass me for age. If you say you pass me for age, many people too, they can use this kind of a ways. They sabi raise shoulder. They say I don't want raise them for. Now that one might be the problem. Like me, if you raise shoulder for me, now your shoulder now you raise. Now your shoulder now you raise. If you like, you raise down. You go reach heaven. Which one can be my own? If I see 5 naira something, I put down for my body. So far it fits me. I go take and make nyagan wear and go say, see as it fits you. Not be you where go say you wear marker from head to toe. If person see you go say, I'll not go like buy this kind of cloth again. They go come they reject. So I believe say it not good make person dey raise shoulder. Even though say you get mountain, now your own not be my need dey. Even though say you get flight where just dey fly every day by day, or you just get bus where they work for you, now your money not be my own. No raise shoulder for anybody. You not get today, you still get tomorrow. For many people, they can use their mouth. Or that's na kabo wa lo. Na so it be. They talk, they look and say, That make me because especially we black now we they do too much. You go see Oyibo, you go get money, you go osakwa. When me and the best self, you know, see am for a body. You know, go see am. You know, you even the teacher saying this so you go get money. You know the red shoulder. Who you want red shoulder for? But now we black, let's stop. Now we do one. If we just get 1 naira, hey, I take her. Go come the thing for him. If when I want temu, I want temu. I got here, I got more. I got temu. Waiting. Keep your shoulder down. Keep am down. I think we are all one. As far as say you know they feed anybody. As far as say person no come dey sleep for your house. As far as say that person, anybody at all, you know they give am money, now you dey pay am. Say that person no dey work, now you dey give am money. Was there no gbe? Abeg, mellow. Mellow. We are all the same. So God create everybody the same. Create everybody the same. Nyawe oga ameni ya zedo ni yewe or eri na kaya so eri ya mo or something like that. Because there are many people where they don't dey for maybe for that they don't dey for abroad for many years. You know make am. You know me say you were just come yesterday, you make am. You come dey talk to another person. That one you say, you know, but one me go. You want. Maybe now so God say me be now so it be. So before now they insult people. Many people they use that words too much. They use that not be only say because of say now be new. Even another people then they use them. You go say I don't pass that level. I don't pass you for many things. That's why I get this one for that side. That's why I get this one. It don't matter. Now you all you get. If I get my own, now my own. Now I get. If I don't still get, oh body. So far I dey okay. No, so far person dey okay. So using of all these words, you dey fool yourself. Me, I just talking like that. If you be brother where they use and you dey fool yourself. If you be sister where they use and you dey fool yourself. Who you want shoulder for? Nobody, even for Nigeria self, you go show your shoulder, you dey show am for nothing. Nothing, because nothing dey there. Nothing dey there. You now you dey feed them. Who don't say you dey even dey feed themselves? Put your shoulder down. Some people, if they come from this abroad, if they go Nigeria. Who you want show for? Who you want show for? Who you want show for? Say, I come from abroad. No, we are all the same. No matter where when you can anywhere, I come from abroad. Maybe tomorrow you go still do this abroad. So I just say me, I just made this small thing. Me and you not there for the same class. You go primary school, you go primary school. You go secondary school, you go secondary school. Even though say no, even go safe. So far, Mike no gbera you talk. I cheated. Not be everybody when go school safe. Now you get wisdom. Now you know. Now you dey intelligent. No. For me, I believe say school not the make person dey intelligent or get wisdom. Abiom. Then a school do read your bye. That's all. So my brothers and sisters from Untouchable Mama, so this message is just for those people where they raise too much shoulder. Brother, don't raise your shoulder for anybody again. We all are the same. You know they feed that person. Sister, don't raise your shoulder. You know they feed another person. We are all the same. Now the same level, now everybody dey. Now the same level. From Untouchable Mama, remain blessed. Please. Do not put any bad comments. You feel put dislike, it's as I go accept them. But if you put bad comment, you know say you are blocked. And so I dey talk I'm not vessel. Now waiting and not like. If you even though you put dislike, 100 dislike, it's not bad. But not put bad comment. No say some people go say shut up your mouth. What are you doing? What are you talking? Go find work. You go say me I go find work. I dey do my work. Some people I go dey laugh. You go say go sleep or enter house. Now inside my house I dey you get one way tell you say madam enter house. Now I say na inside my house I dey now you come I know they write all those nyama thing. I know they write something for person comment. If I just say if I like I'll put like. If I not still like I come up for there. I know say enter house. Now me go pursue enter house. Who you want pursue? Even small pikin say if you pursue enter house, you go still come out. Don't let us say adults. So my brother and sister, may we try to learn. Make we try to use our brain. If person talk something you no like am, no dey put yama yama. Just say your opinion. Just say, my opinion be this one. No offend am. Like me, I dey quick dey take. If you talk something, say I dey quick dey offend. I be that kind person. But if you correct me in a way, I dey take am well. They no use offend words for me. I no like am. I no dey accept. So that is me for you. More na go dey know me. I dey very simple. I dey very jovial, but I no dey like yama yama.